Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Venpongal or pongal. This is a very famous breakfast recipe. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do click on the subscribe button. Let's take a look at the ingredients that are required to make this dish. Rice, 1 cup of rice. Please use raw rice or sona masoori rice. Do avoid boiled rice. For 1 cup of rice, take around 1/4 cup of moong dal. Now let's get cooking. Wash the rice and soak it for around 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, boil the moong dal. Once it has boiled, drain it and keep it aside. Drain the water from the soaked rice. Now add the cooked and drained moong dal to this rice. Now for the water level, for 1 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal, I am going to add around 4.5 cups of water. Do adjust the water level according to this ratio. I am adding 1-inch piece of grated ginger. This ginger can be added even during the tempering time, but if you add it before cooking and if the rice and dal gets cooked in the ginger water, it gives a different flavor to this dish. I'm adding the required amount of salt. So we have added all the required ingredients and the mixture is ready to get cooked. Now we are going to cook this mixture in a pressure cooker. So this dish should be a little bit mushy in consistency. So to achieve that texture, I'm going to be cooking this mixture on medium flame for 6 to 7 whistles in a pressure cooker. I already told you this is a very famous breakfast dish and it can be served even with a simple coconut chutney as a side dish, and it will taste really great. So once 6 to 7 whistles are done and the pressure releases by itself, open the pressure cooker and now let's temper this pongal. For tempering, please use ghee. So I have taken around 1 tablespoon of ghee. I have added 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have added pepper powder because if we add whole peppercorns to the tempering, and if someone doesn't like peppercorn, they definitely will take it outside and they'll not get that flavor of the pepper. So in order to avoid that, I have added pepper powder. Now mash this and mix it well and your pongal is ready to serve. Do serve it with brinjal gothsu or even coconut chutney. I'm sure you liked the video. Please click on the like button. Do subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. See you soon.